ABC Educational Channel. Today we are going to learn about how to use this, that, these, and those in a sentence. We use this, that, these, and those with a noun. Let's study the chart so it's easy for you to understand our lesson. We use this and that to a singular noun related to one person, things, or animals. We use these and those to a plural noun related to more than one person, things, or animals. Remember, we use this and these which near to you. We use that and those which far away from you. Listen and say, this. This is a book. That. That is a window. These. These are butterflies. Those are chairs. Let's learn more about this, that, these, and those with different examples. This. This is my cat. This is a cow. This is a cake. That is an elephant. That is a bird. That is an airplane. These are flowers. These are my gifts. These are my dogs. Those are butterflies. Those are coconut trees. Those are balloons. Let's review. We use this and these for a people, things, or animals near you. This is a book. These are books. We use that and those for people, things, or animals far away from you. That is a dog. Those are dogs. Job well done, kids.